You think this would be a good substitute for powdered sugar? It's pretty sweet. Maybe be a good substitute for chocolate. Yeah. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hold on. Okay. Today, we are going to be baking some cookies out of this PUSHEEN cookbook. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I bought this with my own money, and it was a lot of babysitting work for a very expensive PUSHEEN book, but it was definitely essential. So, yes. So, we are going to get started and bake some PUSHEEN German cookies today. So yeah, please remember to subscribe, and let's get started. Whee! So yeah, let's get started. According to the book, it says, these are the ingredients we will be needing. 5 teaspoons plus 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter. 3 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar. Oh no. Where is it? Why is there sauces back here? They're marshmallows. Oh no! I will be right back. I have to go ask the neighbor for some confectioner's sugar. Hold on. I got the confectioner's sugar! Whee! We will also need some potato starch and some cake flour. Da-da-la. And we need food colorings, pink, green, and purple. I got pink, green, and purple food colorings. And chocolate. So yeah, let's get started. You know, I thought I found a good substitute for powdered sugar before I asked my neighbor, but I don't think it'll work. What do you guys think? Let me go get it. You think this would be a good substitute for powdered sugar? It's pretty sweet. Maybe be a good substitute for chocolate. Yeah. Alright. Let's get started. Woo! So the first thing we're gonna do is chop up the butter. Like, boom! It says to preheat the oven to 250 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Yes. Here we go. It kind of works. So, in a large bowl, using an electric mixer, cream the butter and confection sugar till pale and fluffy. So we need bowl, this'll do, and the mixer. And the butter and the powdered sugar. So yeah. Let's do it. So we got our butter already chopped up in the cubes already. We need 3 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and put my butter in here anyways. 1, 2, and 3. Yep. Now mix, mix, mix. There's a big mess I gotta clean up now. And then once you clean up your mess, you're gonna wanna mix, 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 mix all the dough. Well, not really dough. Butter and powdered sugar together. Yep. Okie dokie. Then it says sift the potato starch and cake flour together. Add to the butter and sugar mixture and mix with a spatula till dough comes together. We got our sifter. Put it in the bowl. We must sift it together. So, sift, 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 sift. And then it said stir with a spatula till a door forms. Yes, a door. Until the dough forms. Mix, 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 mix. Yep. This part was really hard to do because it took a lot of arm strength to combine all the materials into a dough. But I figured it out. So yeah. Hey, we got a cookie dough. Now, we are going to divide the dough into four. Well, it says 4 equal portions, but I'm just going to do 3 because I just want the pastel pusheen cookies. So I'm going to tint each with a few food drops of coloring, pink and green and purple. And knead until incorporated. So my fingers are going to look like a rainbow after this. Now I've got all our dough into 3 little bowls, and now I'm going to color them. So now we got our balls of dough, and it looks like we're going to have some psychedelic 70s pusheens rather than pastel pusheens. But I would do our best. So it says in the book, it took me forever to read this. So basically just make little tiny pusheens out of the cookie dough. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to take our psychedelic little pusheen here. We're going to give her some ears. This is just like polymer clay. I got this. Look at my tiny pusheen. Okay. And then we have to add the little tail. So we'll just... this is so kawaii. Look at my little psychedelic pastel pusheen. Okay. It's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna make some more. And now I'm gonna put them in the oven. And now you're gonna wanna bake them for 25 minutes. Here we go. I'm making some soup for lunch while I wait for the cookies to bake. Yay. So once you're done baking, make sure to let them cool. And then I went ahead and decorated mine. I put little faces made out of chocolate on the pusheens. So yeah, as you can see, I didn't do very good, but I thought it was still sure cute. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe. I tried to do my best. They look alright. I hope you like it, and I will see you all later. Bye!